morning, boys and girls, or should I say good afternoon, as it is, oh goodness, I'd say it's just before 12 noon, on a gray, rainy, nasty day. Today is December the 23rd. For those of you who are not watching your calendar, that's 2 days from Christmas. Ho, ho, ho. Christmas will pass unnoticed here at Camp Smithy this year. But that's not what I brought you here for today, boys and girls. I was showing you these the other day, and I told you I needed to finish the job. Well, let us take a look at what I have done further to these. First, I added 2 extra holes and a piece of wire twisted. That was to hold the safety pin in place whilst I added my 2-part epoxy to have the head stuck to the inside of the tin. Now, I really don't need the wire, but I'm not going to bother taking it off. It's just an added measure of security. It ain't not a lot. And then I bent the safety pin a little bit. I've got to finish adjusting this one. Let me take down the green one and show you that one. Okay. Now you can see I put a slight bend in the actual sharp end of the safety pin. That way it's parallel to the box. This way, when I put it in the headliner, it catches and goes right in and holds the tin right up close to the headliner. This is what I want. And inside, as you can see, more 2-part epoxy and the wire holding it in place. Now these have been curing. The 2-part epoxy has been curing on these boxes now for about 12 hours. And I had them set on the visor right there, right above my heater. This way they would receive heat, because that 2-part epoxy does not cure well in cold weather. Just in case you were not aware of that. So now I'm bending my safety pin just a hair. And there, now I've got it straight. And now I've got to put a little bit of an arch in it so it'll be like this. Not hard to do, but that requires a tool. Hang on a minute. So, we're going to put a tool on it. Oh, bother. And voila, we've got a slight arch in the pin. And now it will hug close to the headliner and do its job and keep my earbuds up off the dash and keep them from being tangled. Right now, you notice they weren't in here. Right now they're residing in that pill container with safety pin duct tape to it. Yeah, that's my daily doses of medicines up there. The one with the cap hanging open, that was my morning pills. The next one over, that's my night pills. Now, no, they're not all pills. This I use for assorted bits and parts, and this has earbud parts in it. That's what those are for. Little doodads that would get lost hanging out on the dash. So from here at Camp Smithy, peace out.
By the way, don't forget to